Andean duck, Oxyra ferruginea, is a bird that lives in the Andean mountains of South America. It is a monogamous species that builds nests in pairs, usually over water. The Andean duck is threatened by habitat loss and hunting. Physical characteristics: the Andean duck is 45 to 48 cm long and weighs 81784 g. The male has a reddish chestnut body, black head and neck, and a white chin. The tail is dark to blackish with stiff rectrices that can be held at right angles to the body. The underparts are mostly sooty with a creamy white lower belly and undertail coverts. Habitat and behavior: the Andean duck lives in ponds and lakes up to 4,600 meters in elevation. In winter, it can be found on freshwater lakes and streams at lower elevations. The Andean duck eats seeds, roots, aquatic insects, and crustaceans. It is threatened by habitat loss, hunting, and predation by invasive species. Nesting: the Andean duck builds a bowl-shaped nest in dense vegetation, usually over water. The Andean